Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a VW Golf door with a key. First, find the keyhole, which is often subtly integrated into the door handle on the driver's side. Insert your physical key completely into this keyhole. Then, gently turn the key clockwise to engage the locking mechanism. You should feel a slight resistance as the door unlocks, allowing you to open it manually. Once the key is inserted, ensure it's fully seated to prevent damage. Turn the key firmly clockwise, but avoid using excessive force, as this could bend or break the key. You should hear a distinct click or thud as the lock disengages. If the door doesn't open immediately, try turning the key slightly further or wiggling it gently while turning. If you encounter difficulty, first check the keyhole for any debris or obstructions that might prevent the key from inserting or turning properly. A small amount of graphite lubricant can help if the lock feels stiff. If your key is old and worn, its shape might be compromised, making it harder to operate the lock. A new key cut from the original code might be necessary. For long-term reliability, it's a good practice to regularly clean and lubricate your door lock mechanisms. This helps prevent seizing and ensures smooth operation when you need to use the physical key. Testing the key periodically confirms it's still functional, especially if you primarily use a remote. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Keeping your locks well maintained ensures peace of mind and easy access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.